I'm installing a vent in this bathroom door. It's a hollow cavity 4-panel Corinthian door from Bunnings. I've bought this Harron door vent, plastic vent, and I've cut out the hole. Just thought I'd post it because I couldn't see any videos online on how to do this. So I've measured half the vent, half the door, positioned it, and I've got it level with my spirit level, and I've cut out the hole with my Dremel Trio, just this thing. It's a great little tool and it really helped and did the job. Now to do the other side, I thought I'd film it then and post this video. So to make sure I get the right spots, I'm going to use a drill, and from the inside corner, drill through so that I can figure out where to cut it. So on the inside of the door, I've taken the other panel. I'm going to use that as a stencil to mark out my lines for the cut. Just using a pencil. This very tricky thing keeps slipping as you mark it out. And it's pretty good. It's basically line to line or dot to dot. Check that's correct. Perfect. Now what I want to do is grab my Dremel and cut it out. I might just block this just to make it a bit easier. And here we go. Okay, so the glue is holding that in, but it's actually loose. Use my pencil. Out. So this side should fit. It doesn't. Perfect. I won't film the next bit. It's vacuuming the sawdust. So I'll be back after I vacuum it. So I've cut it out, vacuumed it. You can see it's nice and clear all the way through. And place the vent in. What I might do is I might tape it till I screw it on the other side, just so it doesn't fall. I'll finally finish the job. I ended up having to get my little router out and router the edge a bit straighter. So hope you enjoyed the video, and let's hope the results are going to help our bathroom stop getting so foggied up. That's the inside, so it's nice and neat. Took a bit of fiddling around, but got there in the end. The reason why I went for this type of vent is because it's a sliding door.